Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of May 2020. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, love, care, health, wealth, prosperity, success. So, yeah, let's see what is coming for you guys for the month of May 2020. Magician and the Star. So, you are manifesting a very spiritual connection, or it must be a destined person who is coming your way. So it is your manifestation. Let's see if it is coming again in your reading. So yeah, Leo, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Leo people. Judgment. So here you are on a very important note. You want to make a decision. You have some kind of push from the universe. Yeah, Six of Wands right in the middle of your reading, Leo. Six of Pentacles. So you have gone through a period of your life, a chapter of your life with a person who is your past life soulmate, because this is a reconciliation card. This is a past life love coming again in your life, and also a second chance from the universe giving you the second opportunity to have that reconciliation with your person. So Leo, in your recent past we have Ace of Wands, Five of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So yeah, the situation was very tough for you guys, for both of you, because there was the chances of a new beginning with the Ace of Wands, but then some of you is very busy and they are not paying attention to the commitment side. They were only paying their attention and energy effort towards their work life. That's why arguments happened and the fights happened. In your current energy we have Four of Cups, Six of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So Leo, now you are in a rejecting mode with this Four of Cups present here. You just now ignoring the fact of love and marriage, and you are moving forward towards your goals and towards you want to achieve in your life. Yeah, and you just want equal give and take with the Six of Pentacles present here. You just don't want any kind of BS and any kind of imbalance situation in your life right now. In your immediate future we have Two of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. So yeah, you will be on a crossroad situation for some time, because of the past experience with your person with the Seven of Swords, because this is not an easy situation. You have a very tough experience with your past person, and they were not honest with you. They were just playing games with you, and they were not loyal with you. You think that you can trust them, but they have broken your trust. They have betrayed you with the Seven of Swords present here. So that's why you just want to make your decision very accurately, so that you cannot regret on it. You just don't want to regret about it, and that's why you're taking your time. Let's see, why is the Judgment here for the Leos? Why is the Judgment here for the Leo people, please? Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Seven of Cups. So for some of you this is the younger older situation going on, because Knight and Queen, and you are moving very slow, and you were feeling very confused as well about a specific situation, and you have taken so much time. If this is not you, this must be your person, so just switch the role. Okay, I was telling you that you were very confused in your past, and right now as well you just want to make a right decision. That's why you want to take the thing slow, but you are determined to have your abundance and prosperity, and you want to achieve your life goals. That's why you are very determined, very logical as well. You just don't want any kind of BS in your life right now, because Queen of Swords, the person or the situation doesn't serve them, they can cut it out. Okay, let's see. Why is the Seven of Swords is here for the Leo? Seven of Swords for the Leo people, please. Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so Leo, you must be dealing with your soulmate, and yeah, this is again the past life soulmate with the Six of Cups present here, and it may be an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo, with this King of Pentacles present here. Yeah, they were just working and working and working, because earth signs are also, work. They are like to have their tangible things strong, their stability, and their work life very very strong. So that's why they didn't pay attention towards you in the past, and towards the offer you want to give to them. They were just ignored it, and they will reject you. Yeah, they were rejected you in the past, and they had broken your trust. That's why you are now not believing in any other situation of your life, specifically love. And you're also missing your person, if it is you, but the person also wants to put in the work with this Eight of Pentacles present in now. But you are now not looking back, and you are moving forward, very determined, very determined. Yeah, so you have now a mindset that you just don't want to go back, and you are moving forward. That's why you are very very open to your new abundant life. Very good. So be open to your abundance. Yeah, be open to the abundance which is coming your way, definitely. Six of Wands is victory, which is right in the middle of your reading, so you will be victorious very soon. Let's see why is the Four of Cups is here for the Leo, please. Knight of Swords, Temptation, Ace of Swords. Okay, some of you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So the person has rejected you in the past. Now they want communication, because they think that they have learned their lesson with this Devil card of the tarot. This is the Temptation, and they think that they have healed from that possessive behavior of their in the past, and that's why they want to come towards you, because this is also a travel card with the Ace of Swords present here, and they want to travel towards you, because they know that you will not communicate with them very easily. So they want to come towards you, and to see you in your eyes. They want to be in front of you to speak this truth, that they have changed. They have now learned their lesson of the karma. Yeah, and they want you. They are also very possessive about you, and this possessive thing can make the relationship or the situation toxic for both of the persons. Let's see why is the Six of Wands is here for the Leo, please. Why is the Six of Wands is here for the Leo? Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, they are not happy to see you moving forward. They are holding on to you, but now you are putting love into yourself first, which is very good, and you are very open to abundance. Now you just want to have all the good things for yourself first, and then to the others, which is a very good thing. So let's have an advice for you Leos. Advice for the Leo people, please. Advice for the Leo, please. Knight of Cups, Lovers, King of Cups. Okay, so universe is telling you that yeah, you are doing great thing. You are just put love in yourself first, so that you can have your true soulmate, and you can have your true person in your life, because this is your person coming your way with the King of Cups present here. Okay, so just trust your intuition, go with it, and follow your follow the path of the universe, because you are doing great work on yourself. You are moving forward towards your abundance, which is very great. I'm feeling so happy for you, Leos. This is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. You can also share it with your family and friends if you find it helpful. And also you can tell me in the comment section below, like what kinds of reading you wanna me to do, okay, for you guys. So yeah guys, bye.